Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm so excited for this one, the sticky firecracker chicken wing recipe. I really love it. I have the chicken wings cleaned with vinegar and cool water. The skin is left on because we're gonna fry this today. So I'm using some seasoning salt. You can use poultry seasoning, green seasoning, whatever you like. Whatever dry seasoning you use, though, you want to put that in the flour that's gonna coat the chicken so that the flesh is seasoned, but also the outer coating is nice and flavorful as well. So just stir that around, and now we're gonna coat the chicken wings. I'm not using an egg wash today because we're gonna be putting that sauce all over the chicken. I'm not worried about using an egg wash for the coating today. So just use your seasoned flour and coat generously. Make sure it's covered properly and it's all good, ready to fry. So I'm using my deep fryer. I did set it to 350. You can set it between 350 and 365 degrees depending on your appliance that you're using. If you're using a pan, medium to high heat is fine, or you can even use a thermometer. Just make sure you don't overcrowd the basket or you don't overcrowd the pan that you're using to fry the wings, because you want them to fry evenly and cook around the same time. Alright, so the sauce, guys, we have the garlic, vinegar, hot pepper sauce, the scotch bonnet, the cayenne, the red pepper flakes, brown sugar, and we have the butter. I'm not going to use a scotch bonnet today because I want to share some of the wings with my son, so no scotch bonnet today. And I'm using apricot jam, but you can use marmalade or apricot jam. Both of them are really good in this sauce. So I have a pan here and it's on low to medium heat. We just need to melt the butter because we're going to cook the garlic. Just cook it till it's soft. So yeah, cook it till it's soft, but don't get it too brown, because once it starts to brown, that's when the garlic starts to get bitter. We don't want that spoiling our nice sauce that we're making today. Once we've added that, we're gonna add the cayenne pepper, the red pepper flakes, the hot sauce, and you just wanna keep stirring that in. So add your brown sugar now, and I'm using brown sugar, but you could use white sugar if you like. I just prefer the brown sugar because it's a deeper, darker color. And I'm adding the jam here. Break up any pieces of apricots that you might see. That's fine. Just use your fork or whatever utensil to break it up. And then I added the vinegar. All of this, we're just going to stir it together. So while we're making this sauce, the aim is to get it nice and caramelized and sticky and ooey gooey yummy. Just watch that fire though, because trust me, sugar burns easily, so we don't want to leave it unattended and then it'll burn, right? So keep your eyes on it, keep stirring it. You want it to get nice and thick, but you don't want it to stick to the pan either. So by this time you can check on your chicken wings, and just want to have a nice golden brown color outside, and you don't want to fry them for too long because you want inside to be still juicy, right? 12 to 15 minutes is usually good depending on the size of your chicken wings. Okay guys, so the sauce is looking really good. It's reducing nicely, getting thicker and stickier. I like the way it's looking right now. So once the chicken wings are done, you can toss them in a bowl, or you could even toss them in the pan. That way you keep everything nice and hot. That's what I'm going to do today. So in the last stages of the sauce making on the stove, it's gonna get really sticky and thick, so be careful to, you know, watch that heat underneath. Okay guys, these chicken wings are hot, sticky, and ready to go, guys. There you have it, really nice and saucy. You could sprinkle some sesame seed on top, or some chives or green onions if you want some extra color or flavor, or you could serve them as is because they really are that good. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please leave a comment, let me know what you think, let me know how you like it when you try, and please remember to subscribe, like, tell a friend about this lovely recipe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You take care.